welcome to Charlie's Nail Art Supplies channel. I'm Jo, one of Charlie's brand ambassadors. Today we are going to have a look at some Polygel and applying a couple of glitters to these nails. So I've pulled out some clear Polygel from Moravan, which is called Pure. I've also got this gorgeous sparkly multi-mix, which is one of Charlie's previous glitters. It's not on the website at the moment, so but it's called Mermaid Mix. And then I've also got these little blossom sequins, so they're a little bit more chunkier than your normal glitters. And then I've got some neon butterflies, which I've just popped in that tray. So what I've done is I've put those two nails into that hand. One of them is going to have which is the one I'm sizing up at the moment, is going to have the blossom sequins and the neon butterflies on that one. So that one I'll be applying in a dual form. The other one is going to have loose glitter on, so the Mermaid Mix is going to go on the other one. At the moment I'm just grabbing a permanent pen, because what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark on my dual form how long I want the nail. So I've just marked it with a little bit of permanent pen there. Okay, we are going to put some base coat down on the nail first of all. Now, you can put a colour down underneath this, it's entirely up to you, but I'm going to leave them with no colour on so you can see exactly how much it covers. So I'm just going to sprinkle some of that Mermaid Mix across that nail. Make sure you get it down the sides as well. I always find popping it in a tray and then just tipping some over the best. And that's going to go into the lamp for 60 seconds. And I've just given it a quick brush off with a soft brush to get anything loose off there. And we're just going to pop some of that Polygel straight on top of there. I've got my slip solution to the side of me, and we're just going to pattern press that Polygel out across all of that glitter to encapsulate it. Now, Moravan Polygel cures extremely clear, very, very clear. So once I've gone across that is going to go into the lamp for 60 seconds again to cure. And once that's out the lamp, just going to give it a quick wipe off with a little bit of that slip solution, just to get that tacky layer off. And then I'm going to take my 150 grit file, and I'm just going to straighten up those side walls and that free edge, and then go across the cuticle and across the body of the whole nail. I've also got my buffer at the ready. We're just going to buff over the top of that as well. I did notice a couple of places where I'd not completely smoothed it out, so a little bit extra filing is going to go down that one side, and then it'll look as good as new. Always remember to get rid of all your dust. So what I'll do in a second once I've finished is I actually pull that tip out and clear all that dust off, because I'm going to go in with top coat in a minute, and I don't want that anywhere near my top coat. So get rid of all that, clean it off the desk. And once all that's cleared away, just going to go in with some Moravan top coat, which came with the kit. And then that will go in the lamp for 60 seconds. Right, off camera, I have just base coated the other nail tip, popped it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and that is just waiting for me to the side. I've just put some of the clear polygel into this nail form that I sized up earlier. We're going to pattern press it down to the desired shape that we want it, or roughly to the desired shape. And once I've done that and I've got it all where I need to get it, we're going to pop some of those neon butterflies in, and we're also going to pop some of the blossom sequins in. So we're putting in two different types of glitter. The neon butterflies are really paper thin. The blossom sequins are a lot thicker than the neon butterflies, but I'm just showing you that you can encapsulate both quite easily in polygel. So I'm going to pop all those in, not all of them, but some of them, to the desired place where I want them. I do keep turning the dual form over and then checking it just to make sure they are all where I want them. And once you've done that, now I'm thinking, does that look good? A couple more. And then once you've got them in the place you want them, we're going to go straight down at the cuticle first of all. Not too close, but you want it close enough that it's not going to leave a huge gap. Don't get it on your skin is what I would say. Clean up around the sides and underneath as best as you can, and then pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, as you saw, that dual form popped off really easily, and then you just need to wipe it over with some of the slip solution just to get rid of that tacky layer. We're going to give it a quick file and buff. So these shouldn't take much filing and buffing because they're already in a pre-made shape. So providing you've put literally all you are doing is just neatening it up slightly. So we're just going to go side walls, both sides, and then we're going to do around the cuticle and along the free edge, and then on the body of the nail. Go over it with that buffer as well, just to make sure it's nice and smooth. Get rid of all that dust again, and then we're going to pop some top coat on. That's going to go back in the lamp for 60 seconds, and I also top coated underneath and popped it in the lamp again. So that is two ways to encapsulate three different types of glitter or glitter sequins from Charlie's. If you'd like to order anything from Charlie's website, I will pop the mat up in a second. There you go. There is the website and a 10% off code for you to use on any or every order you place. I'd appreciate it if you could share the video as well as watching it. That would be absolutely super. And if you wouldn't mind liking it and subscribing if you've not already, that would be absolutely brilliant. And if you'd like to join any of Charlie's social media pages or following them, they are there on the mat. By all means, if you've got any questions, leave any questions down below or on the support group on Facebook as well. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.